All right, Kingsmill, welcome back. This is our second episode. It's been about 2 weeks since our last update. We're gonna walk you through the sports club, what we've accomplished the last couple weeks, and what we got coming up. First, as you can see, the ramp access to the indoor pool is now up and ready to go. They did a nice job. So this ensures ramp access to the indoor pool and hot tub, and ensures ramp access to the outdoor restrooms as well. So this is up and ready to go. One important note, as we turn the corner here to the front door, please do not use the entrance that we're gonna use. Please use the indoor pool entrance. The entrance we're gonna walk into is locked for construction. As we walk through here, we're gonna see a couple big changes since our last update. First, what is now the free weight section, what was a yoga studio before, now is completely opened up. The roof is raised, all the walls are gone. We're gonna go through the middle floor where the cardio equipment was. Floors up, walls down, big open space, looks pretty dang cool. All the HVAC is gone, nearly all the electrical is gone. And then we're gonna go to Yoga Studio 2 and show you that area that's been completely tore up. Let's take a look. All right off the bat, what a pretty view. This was the wall between the pool and the indoor sports club. You can see all the way to the front door, this wall has been completely taken down. And then we look out to the left, that wall was completely taken down. Since our last update, this is one big open space, and we raised everything all the way up to the roof. Pretty dang cool. Fun fact, these braces were built for exterior cross braces, so at one point this was the outside of the building. These should be able to come down. We'll keep updates on that in the next couple weeks. As we walk to the main floor, the cardio floor, all the carpet's gone. Some of the posts around the walls around the posts have been removed. The ceiling's been raised up, the HVAC has been taken out, and the lights have all been removed. Those lights you see are temporary lights for construction purposes. Window project comes next. All brand new storefront windows coming in. We have started the men's locker room, taking out the walls. That will probably be on our next update. And then we removed the entire flooring, the back wall and the right wall from Yoga Studio 2. We are going to add some windows to that exterior wall, make them storefront windows. And that space to the right is going to be an additional yoga studio as well. That was our laundry operation before. Fun fact, always heard a few people talk about the floor in this room, and it's bouncy and safe and pretty dang cool. It's actually a spring-loaded professional ballerina floor. Actually, not too many of these across the country, but that's what it's built for. There's actually a little, about 10-inch platform under there, and there's springs all underneath this floor that give it its bounce and your ability to have fun and do yoga and ballerina exercises. So that's this week's update. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you in 2 more weeks.